what could be the value of x here for this triangle? Remember that line QP and line RS are parallel. So I'm going to use it to solve this problem. Since QP is parallel to RT, line RT, this implies that line angle PRT will equals 180 degrees. This place is 180 degrees. Reason, alternate angle are equal. So we're almost there now. So to find x, remember QRS is a straight line. That means line angle 56 plus this one 84, writing 180, 84, 56 degrees plus 84 degrees plus x equals 180 degrees. Sum of angle in the triangle. So if you add 84 plus 56, 84 plus 56, you get 140. This one is 140 degrees plus x equals 180. That means x is equals to 180 minus 140. So x is equals to 40 degrees. And that is the final answer. It's simpler if you know all the theorems. Please share this video. Bye bye. See you again next time.